How to fix Gcash not available in your country. Step-by-step guide. You're outside the Philippines, you open Gcash, and you get hit with not available in your country. Frustrating, especially when you need to send money home right now. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through every official fix step by step. Let's get into it. Welcome back, I'm Daniel, and today we're solving the Gcash not available in your country error completely. Whether you're trying to download the app or access it abroad, I've got you covered. Let's go. First, let's understand why this happens. Gcash is a Philippine-based financial app primarily designed for the Philippines market. When your Google Play Store or Apple App Store account is set to a different country, it blocks Gcash from appearing or downloading entirely. And if you're using Gcash abroad, there are specific steps you need to follow to keep access working. Now let's fix it step by step. Step 1. If you cannot find or download Gcash on Google Play Store, the problem is your Play Store country setting. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap Settings, then tap General, then tap Account and Device Preferences. Look for your current country and switch it to Philippines. Important, Google only allows you to change your Play Store country once every 90 days, so make sure you do this carefully. Step 2. For iPhone users on the App Store, open your Settings app and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Tap Media and Purchases, then tap View Account. Scroll down to Country or Region and tap Change Country or Region. Select Philippines, agree to the terms and conditions, and then search for Gcash in the App Store. Step 3. Once your store country is set to Philippines, search for Gcash and download it normally. Make sure you're downloading the official Gcash app by Globe Fintech Innovations. Double-check the developer name to avoid fake apps. Step 4. If you are already overseas and Gcash is installed but not opening properly, Gcash has an official solution called Gcash Overseas. This feature allows Filipinos abroad to use Gcash with an international mobile number. Open your browser and go to the official Gcash website. Sign up or log in through Gcash Overseas, and you can continue sending money to Philippine Gcash users, paying Philippine bills, and doing bank transfers back home even without a Philippine SIM card. Step 5. If you are using a Philippine SIM abroad and Gcash is not working, make sure your SIM has international roaming activated. Gcash requires an active roaming connection to send OTPs to your Philippine number while you are outside the country. Contact your Philippine network provider, Globe or Smart, to activate roaming before traveling. Step 6. If the app is still not loading after all these steps, clear the Gcash app cache by going to your phone settings, tapping Apps, finding Gcash, tapping Storage, and hitting Clear Cache. Then restart your phone and try again. Pro tip, before traveling abroad, always make sure your Gcash app is fully updated and your account is fully verified with a green check or gold status. Fully verified accounts have fewer restrictions when accessed internationally and give you the smoothest experience overseas. So to recap, change your Play Store or App Store country to Philippines to download the app. Use Gcash Overseas if you are abroad with a non-Philippine SIM. Activate roaming if you are using a Philippine SIM internationally, and clear your cache if the app still won't load. Follow those steps in order and you will be back inside Gcash in no time. If this helped you out today, smash that like button and subscribe for more Gcash and finance app tutorials every week. Are you using Gcash from abroad? Drop your country in the comments. I'd love to know where my viewers are watching from. It's been Daniel.